Take a ride in the 2022 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.